Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the difference between ago and before. The words ago and before are both used to denote some point in the past, but these words can't be used synonymously. Ago states a time in the past from the present time. Ago means at a certain time before now. Ago tells us how long before the present time something happened. It tells us when and gives us a time or a date. It is used to refer to a time that's in the past in the reference to the present time. Look at these example sentences. He lived in Chennai 3 years ago. My sister died 3 years ago. They moved here 6 years ago. Now let us move on to before. Before states a time from the past time. Look at the difference. Whereas ago states certain time before now. Before means past time from another time in the past. It refers to past for the past moment. Example, I lived in this city before I moved back to my village. I lived in this city is in past tense. I moved back to my village also in past tense. I missed the bus yesterday. I reached the bus stop at 3:30 p.m. but the bus had gone 10 minutes before. These two actions happened in the past, so we have used before. Before indicates an earlier time relative to another event, while ago refers to a specific duration in the past. Before is a preposition or conjunction, whereas ago is an adverb. Ago is used with the past tenses, whereas before can be used with past and present tenses. How can you use ago and before? Her father died 5 years before. Is not a correct sentence. It is incorrect. Her father died 5 years ago. This is the correct sentence. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.